Enjoy morning. Dilig muna tayo ng mga halaman. Yung pinapandilig ko guys is galing sa pinaghugasan ng bigas. Buti pa to bang halaman may dilig. Yung nagdidilig 1 year and 6 months na wala. Truth hurts. Healthy naman ng halaman na to. So nice. For breakfast, I'm gonna prepare sunny side up eggs and sausage. Ubus na yung aking mga beauty talks capsules. Mag-open na ako ng bago. Medyo matagal-tagal na rin ako nagtitake nito guys. 1 capsule each. Morning and nighttime. Nagtitake na ako. Before breakfast ko to guys, sinitake. Nag-apply na ako sa skin ko ng toner, serum at saka day cream. Ubus na yung toner ko guys. Mag-apply ako now ng sunscreen. Nagustuhan ko yung sunscreen na to kasi napaka-lightweight, hindi siya malagkit. Saka SPF 50 siya. May niacinamide pa. Pressed powder. And then tinted lip essence. Hair leave-in treatment. My scent of the day. I love this perfume, Dessert London guys, kasi affordable, and then long-lasting, and super bango pa. Try nyo to. My love. Love you. Lunchtime. Kain po. Kahit everyday guys, busy, pagod tayo, maraming ginagawa. Always take time talaga guys to take care of yourself. Self-care and self-love. If you're capable of loving yourself, then you're also capable of loving others.